If you're tired of being broke, watch this with me. Stop worrying about money. Stop worrying about where the next buck is coming from. If you're really tired of being broke, let's go into the office and let's go and talk about this today.
If you're tired of being broke or if you're tired of being poor, you'd best watch this. So, are you really tired of being broke? Has it become a problem for you? Are you struggling to get ahead? Are you struggling to be profitable and successful in the stock market? The trick to this is it's all about managing your risk, because trading, as I've told you 100 times, is a 50-50 game. No matter what system you use or what system you choose, there's a 50% chance you're going to win and there's a 50% chance that you're going to lose. It's not that simple that you can just go out there and win on the first day. Becoming profitable takes time because it's all in the psychology and it's all in the understanding of managing your risk. In other words, taking smaller losses and making bigger wins. Trading is risky. 80% of traders lose money. And if you don't like losing money, you most likely probably shouldn't be trading and you should probably walk away from it right now. That said, go check out my secret blog. The secret blog has got a trade idea in there every single day, and that trade is there for you. But it's just a trading idea, it's not financial advice. While you're there, pick up your free Forex book. It's in the index, it's on the side, and it might even be in the description here. Go check it out. It's free, it's there, and it's for you. Now, I put a trading system together for you that might help you and give you an edge in the stock market. It might help you go along the way of success rather than not being profitable. It might even help you to become profitable. But to become profitable, you do have to learn to manage your risk, take smaller losses, make bigger wins, because that's the only way that you're going to get ahead. But the system that I use, the support and resistance, the supply and demand, might be of some assistance to you in that. And if you're using some other complicated system, it might be confusing you. If you've got too much on your charts, too many lines, too many things going on, that might also confuse you in a big way. So check out this system and see how this one works for you.
Today I just want to talk to you a little bit about what do you do if you have a situation like with the US 500 where the market's gone straight up and it just keeps on going up and you just don't know where to get into the trade, and even if you should get into a trade in a situation like this. Well, my recommendation would be to wait and be patient, because it is way overbought. That can give you quite a lot of headaches if you buy into it now. So you're buying at a very dangerous spot, and it's normally better to wait for the money to sort itself out. Now here's the thing, guys, you got to go to the day chart, go to the line chart and see what we've got here. Now let's look for a nice support. So what I would do is I would draw a nice daily support level in here, and it would appear to be down here around about the 5,000 level, and I would actually wait for it to come back into that support level before I take any trades. You can draw resistance in up here if you want to, but there is no resistance. It's gone through, it's going high, so you're just looking for that strong support. If you're really patient, you can wait for it to come all the way down to the major support down here. But when's it going to get there? In 10 years time? No, I don't know when it's going to drop back to 4,000 again, but it could. You never know. A good war or something like that, and it'll come tumbling back down to that. Then we just put it back to the bar charts. Why do we put it on the bar charts? So that we can, the candlesticks show you when there's a strong green candle coming out of a support area, that's a long trade. Look at the long trade you would have got all the way up to there. There's another strong green candle, nice long trade going back up there. But let's take it back to the 4-hour chart where we're trading, and let's just have a look at what we've got here. So it's going to be a while before you can take this trade, but if I was in anybody's shoes, in my own shoes even, on the 4-hour chart you can take trades around these levels, long trades, quick long trades with a tight stop loss. There's another one over here and another one over here. But if you really don't want to take high risk, if you want to take low risk, I would actually wait for this guy to come all the way back down to this main support before getting a long trade back in again, because that'll give you a nice area of trading. And if you're investing or anything to that effect, then clearly this would be the point you're waiting for before you start buying your shares, getting to that point down at that level there. So that's the best way to trade this support when a market has gone in such a direction that it's just like a lamp pole formation. Be very careful of lamp pole formations, guys. They tend to fall down, and when they fall down hard. So don't trust these support levels here. If you do take them, keep a tight stop loss, because it's a good place to trade from, but I would wait for the main support on these.
So now that you've seen the system, I think that'll be a bit of a help to you managing your risk, because that's what we're about. We're all about using the support resistance, keeping it simple and not getting overcomplicated. Don't go with these systems where it's so complicated that you make mistakes all the time, you don't know what you're doing. Keep it simple and simply choose a trade, whether it's going up, whether it's going down. It's as simple as throwing a dart at the chart. Your edge is the only thing. What it does for you, your edge, it says to you, I've got a good chance here of actually succeeding because I know that this system works. When I take my trade, I know that it's going to go well. I know that I'm possibly going to make a win on this trade because I'm really confident about the edge or the system that I've chosen. And if your system stops working, don't start changing it every 5 minutes and don't start tweaking it every 5 minutes, because that is also going to affect your trading in a big way. Because the minute you start tweaking it, then it works for a while and then it starts losing and it just never works out, guys. Keep the system that you've got, keep working with that same system, and it'll keep your edge and it'll improve over time. If it starts going wrong, look at yourself and look at what you're doing wrong, because all the systems work. It's just about you at the end of the day. So if you start losing, stop everything, look inside yourself and think, what am I doing wrong? Why is this happening? Perhaps you're getting out of your profits too early. Perhaps you're letting your losses run too long. Perhaps you're just being impatient and not waiting for the trades to play out, or something equally ridiculous. Look inside yourself, look back and see where you're making your mistakes, which is why you should keep a journal of your trades so that you can see where you took the trades, why you took the trades, and what your reasoning was behind taking those trades. So I hope that helps you guys, and I hope it sends you in the right direction this week. Thanks for watching, guys. Till the next video, don't forget to watch the last one. Cheers. Bye.